Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, I'm going to tell you why I'm long on XRP again. I do think you're looking at some kind of breakout relatively soon here. I do think there's potentially some kind of little bull flag coming back to support. You've got your breakout, you've got resistance, you're coming back to support, and you're calling up in some kind of bull flag, holding this descending level support and this descending level resistance right now. Look at that, some kind of little descending channel. Okay, and I do think that XRP is actually a technical target to that at the moment. It's trying its best to get to that, you know, because you've broken out this horizontal, boom, 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 coiled up right close to the apex, like I said to you, broken out, fallen back to support, optimal entry point to start to come back up the stairs and attack that, you know. So from here right now, that is looking quite tasty, and it's around about a 35% long opportunity from this point with a tight stop loss, obviously, because then if you know the pattern can be invalidated. But what you're doing here, if you look, basically, I think that what you're trying to do is retrace at this eye. Okay, you've got that point of contact there, resistance, you've got that resistance there, and you've melted through it just there. And what happened? You fell back to the neckline and support, and then you wick down to this swing high. Look, you got that level of resistance right there, melted through it, coiled up, back test support, coiled up, and you're looking for continuation. But what you've done here, you've broken this key level resistance, multi-day level resistance just there. Look at that, coil up, fell back to support, and a lovely little bull flag looking to come back up, and the EMAs as well. You know, to invalidate that, if you start to come back down into this pattern, you start to roll and take out that low, okay, and you start to come back down and lose that head down there around about 62 cents, then it's invalidating this technical breakout, you know, and you're starting to roll. And if you start to lose that, then obviously I do think you're entering a level of capitulation there for XRP. But I think this is looking really nice. I'm going to show you on the 4-hourly time frame here what I'm looking at, potentially some kind of little bull flag and some kind of 5 waves down. It actually looks like it might have done, and you might be looking at a breakout soon. I'm going to show you. So look, you've got a kind of level of resistance just here, and then you've got a level of support just there, this kind of little descending channel, which is essentially a little bull flag. Look, you come up like this impulsively, correctively coming back to this low. Right now you're coming back in a little bull flag, and you're coiling up on this level of support as well. You're holding that support on the 4-hourly. Look at that, resistance is now support. You're coiling up under the 55 and 20 coming down, so you've got some kind of volatility break here, and if you do start to break and back test, boom, you're breaking out of a bull flag, and this would be a technical target, okay, where you do start to break out from there to there, and you get a lovely little breakout wherever it is. You're looking at a nice little trade here from there to there, around about 12%, and you're going to get a pump up to that high, to that wick high, to fill it. Okay, so that would be really nice. Keep an eye on this, you know, obviously to invalidate this scenario, you're coming back like this, you're calling up to validate that, come back down and lose that low, and you can see you're coming back into the apex of this pattern, and with that you're actually losing the support of this horizontal fake out, coming back in, losing support. Okay, so this is what we do, trade the ranges. For me, you've broken out, fell back to support, fantastic place to go long with a stop loss. You know, your stop loss is this low because you're invalidating the pattern. Impulsive, corrective. Right now all you're doing, this bull flag, is retracing to this breakout point. Okay, that's all it's doing, it's retracing. It's normal, it's healthy, you know, it doesn't feel like it, but it is. And right now that could be your technical target if you start to break out of this bull flag like this, coming back. And another thing, you know, you do usually see bull flags come back in 5 waves. You've got a 1 there, you've got a 2 high, you've got a 3, you've got a 4, and there's your 5. That is actually technically a lower low than that, so that might actually be your low in right now. You start to coil up here under this apex, so you've got this key level resistance coming down to 55, you've got this key level support, coil up, breakout, boom, you're on that target there. And that would be around about, did I say 10% long opportunity? What is it from here with a stop loss? Around about 13%, okay? So that could happen by the time I come back tomorrow and make this video again. So yeah, keep an eye on that. Hopefully we get a little breakout. Again, lose this support, start to come down. That's really, really negative. And this is why you set stop losses. You can do all this on Bybit. You can trade all these things that I show you. You know, the link is in each and every single video description. I've got a fantastic sign-up bonus. Do get involved in their trading platform. It's amazing. They don't have all the scam wicks, and they've got an amazing bonus, and obviously it's an amazing platform. That's why I promote it for you. So that's basically XRP. We're looking to come back in this bull flag. We've got these 5 waves down, so it looks as though the correction's done here, back down to this low. You start to hold this, break out, boom, you're at 84 cents, okay? And with that, you're starting to break out. Now let's have a look at this, because if this is the low and that's your high just there, your 1618 target is 92 cents, and you can see it's a retracement to that high. So there's a bit of confluence there that this might start to play out, and you're getting a lovely little explosive breakout beyond that, you know, because like I said to you, it moves in waveforms. You've got 22% long up in front of you, and these would be your TP points, because this would be, you run into resistance, start to come back, and you know, like I've said to you, the bulls go up the stairs. Remember that, the bulls go up the stairs, okay? The bulls go up the stairs. You know, you're coming for retracements, that's normal. Providing you hold the lows, you're breaking bullish. So right now, there's your low, there's your low, there's your high. And what you're looking to do is putting a new all-time high in, local high, sorry. You putting a higher than that, that's technically really, really bullish. And, you know, right now, you're coming up to there, which is that resistance. If you go through that, you're going to be on that high. So if you can get through that with some kind of beautiful impulsive break, run into that, you've made a high. That's a low, that's a high, that's a high low, that's a high. At that point, put your retracement in, big whopping inverse head and shoulders pattern, and you've flipped out and you're bullish here. This is amazing. You've got some kind of channel, which would be absolutely amazing, you know. It would be amazing. And I wish you all the best of luck. But that's XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Back soon with another update on XRP. Bye-bye.